What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of ZAGG Santa Cruz case for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So here we go. So the Gear 4 Santa Cruz case from ZAGG comes with US military standard 810G516 drop protection. That means it can survive up to 4 meters of drop on a rough solid surface. It comes with a slim design. The material used in the production of this case is recycled plastic, and it also comes with antimicrobial treatment that protects the case from getting germs on it. So if you are a health conscious guy or a nature concerned guy, then these two features are important for you. But the most important feature of ZAGG Santa Cruz case is that it comes with D3O impact protection. If you do not know, D3O is a very durable, super solid material that is heavily used in sports, construction of motorcycle parts, in industrial protective materials, in shields, helmets, etc. of military, and also in the production of electronics and gadgets. And this is what is used on ZAGG Gear 4 Santa Cruz case for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, because on impact it absorbs the impact on a particular point of the case and disperses and distributes it all over the body. That totally reduces the impact level and your device stays totally safe. So here is the ZAGG Gear 4 Santa Cruz case for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is the black variant, so you can see that on the sides this grip we got is black, and this grip used is very effective. It is providing great friction, and so it contributes in overall grip while holding the device in your hand, and also provides the protection on all corners of your smartphone when it is inside this case, as you can see here. It totally fits on the body of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. At the bottom you will find the cutouts for the speaker grill USB port and the S Pen. It is very easy to take the S Pen out using this case and putting it back, and you can see you got this protection at the edge of the bottom, also at the top as well as on the sides. The keys are also very well protected, and it provides very satisfactory click while pressing the keys when the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is inside the ZAGG Gear 4 Santa Cruz case. At the top you can see that this part is slightly elevated and covering the top part of the screen for better protection. The same goes with the bottom as well, and it is also curved slightly to cover the edges of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for better protection, but it is still giving the space to use the sidebar without facing any issue, as you can see here. On the back side you will get the Gear 4 branding as well as the protected by D3O branding, and as you can see the back side of the case is also curved just like the body of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and because of that it is providing a very slim profile for the device while giving it a super solid protection. Also the camera module is fully protected, and the camera lenses are beneath the surface level of the case, so even if it falls on the ground the camera module will do not touch the surface directly and it won't get damaged. So overall ZAGG Gear 4 Santa Cruz clear case for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a very nice option to protect your device, as it comes with D3O material for super solid protection. The thick black material provided all across the case provide a very solid protection and super strong grip while holding the device, while still keeping the device very minimalistic, thin, and protecting it from germs. That's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.